they'll shrink, right? Moisture. Hello, hello. It's so messy. Okay, 2. Hello, welcome back to Maedae in the Kitchen. I'm Maedae, and today we are making something very special, chocolate zucchini cake. Now, I had this all the time. This recipe comes from one of my best friends in middle school, Mariah, and she or her mother would make it all the time, and I just remember being like so amazed, like, there's zucchini in this? Like, what? That makes no sense. And I guess, like I was back then, a lot of people don't know that you can put zucchini inside of cake and still have it like taste normal. If you guys are new to that, then yeah, I really hope that you guys enjoy this recipe and you make it too, because it is really good. And honestly, I haven't had it in, oh my god, maybe like 15 years. Oh my gosh, I'm old. Probably like 15, 16 years. So I reached out to Mariah, I asked for her recipe, I asked if I could make a video for it, and she responded yes, and she gave me the recipe, and yeah, so here we are. I'm very excited. I can't wait to taste it again after so long. Alright, let's get baking. If you guys like this video, please be sure to hit that like button down below, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel, as well as hit that bell notification so that you can get reminded every beautiful Wednesday morning, every other beautiful Wednesday morning, when I upload new videos like this one. Also, be sure to check out my Instagram right here. Yes, behind the scenes, things like that, posts, going to restaurants, a bunch of stuff happening there. Alright, the first ingredient I need is half a cup of shortening. I just have these shortening sticks, and just gonna slice it right down the middle. Ooh, but that doesn't look very... My apron. I need an apron. I am not getting dirty. Haha, and this is a really nice shirt, so glad I remembered before it was too late. Half a cup of shortening. Oh, my Lanta. 1 3/4 of sugar, a teaspoon of vanilla. I need 2 eggs, half a cup of oil, and half a cup of buttermilk. Okay, now I just blend this until it's smooth. So the only problem that I see thus far is my shortening is kind of clumpy and it's not blending smoothly like the instructions said. But shortening is like a lard, it'll melt, so I'm not too worried about it. So it might not have been soft enough, but it was pretty soft. So on to the next part. Okay, the next part is I need 2.5 cups of flour. I need half a cup of cocoa powder. Good enough. Half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Half a teaspoon of cloves. Half a teaspoon of baking powder. 1 teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Alright, time to mix it. Why the heck did I say I was done? Mixing it is not my last step. Well, it was my last step. I was supposed to put grated zucchini, the whole point of this recipe, grated zucchini in it and then blend. Well, I'm gonna do that now. I'm gonna grate it. I'm gonna do it. And then that's my last kind of step. Do I want them that big? Oh, it doesn't say. But it's grated, right? They'll shrink, right? But this is like, no, that's like, ugh. Okay, so I need 2 cups of this. So let's see. I have 1, almost 2. 2. Oh, that seems like so much. Now I don't think I want to blend that. Ugh. I think I'm just gonna fold it. But I also, okay, so it says to put like chocolate chips on top. I was thinking, what if we put chocolate chips in the middle? I have all these different kinds. I have semi-sweet, I have bittersweet, and I have white chocolate chip. Part of me wants to just throw all 3 together, but I don't know. Okay, I'll just do semi-sweet. I'm not gonna get way too ahead of myself. So, cut these open. I will still sprinkle them on top. Oh my god, these are like mini ones. Dang it. That's what happens when you order groceries. You honestly sometimes never know what you're gonna get. Okay, so it says to sprinkle a 4th cup on top. So I'll do a little over a 4th cup in the middle. And then we'll be back for the top. Okay, now I'm just gonna fold it. I think it's just gonna add like a lot of moisture and make it just like super moist. Lots of people don't like that word. Moist. 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 Moisture. Sorry. Don't want to overmix it. Get my 9x13 dish. Grease it. Over this way. Boom. Boom. And just pour it in. Pour it in. Pour it in. Pouring it in. Pouring it in. Now we did put baking powder and baking soda in this, so it should rise a bit. Right? Right? Ooh, chocolate chips on top. A little over dramatic, but I am so excited. I haven't tried this in 16 years. So I'm going to go throw it in the oven, 325 degrees for 45 minutes, and I'll be back right now. All right, my cake is done. So if you can see, I made 2 cakes. One I did with just the semi-sweet chocolate chips, the one that you guys actually just saw, and then I wanted to mix all the chocolate chips together, the bittersweet, the white chocolate, and the semi-sweet. So I made another batch and I cooked them both at the same time. Unfortunately, the original one, every time I put the Q-tip in, it came out clean. So I thought it was done. And then I let it cool. And then I started cutting into it, and it is still gushy and mushy in the middle. And I'm a little upset. But the one with all the chocolate chips came out perfectly. It's done, the middle's cooked, everything's cooked. So yeah, I'm really excited to try it. I can already smell it, and it smells delicious. I'm ready. Smells very good. I don't know if it's like all the chocolate chips, but for some reason it's like not how I tasted back then. I don't know, maybe like I made it wrong. Okay, so I just grabbed a little corner piece that is cooked, well, from the other one, and this one tastes sweeter, so maybe I just added more sugar in this one than this one, but it's weird because I have so many chocolate chips, I thought it would be a lot sweeter, but this is good. Oh my gosh. It's very moist. Fluffy, but not like too fluffy, but then it's like kind of dense, but not like too dense. So it's really good. I like it. Of course I do. I liked it growing up. So why wouldn't I like it? There's so many chocolate chips in this one. You need milk or you need water with this one. A lot. It's not taking me back to when I ate it. But this one is. I just got like a little corner piece. This one is taking me back. So it's weird. It's like, what did I do different? Besides the chocolate chips. I mean, maybe that's the thing. Not sweet, but it's still like satisfyingly sweet. It's like so good. And I think the zucchini just like makes it more moist. Like there's not flavor from the zucchini. If anything, it's like a tiny hint. Like when I made the thunder cake, like you could kind of taste the tomato. Like not really. I think it's just there to like make it more moist. I want to thank Mariah and her family for letting me use this recipe on this video and for feeding it to me all throughout those years that I was there. It was so delicious. It's still delicious. And yeah, I'm super happy that I have this recipe now, and I'm glad that we get to share it with all you guys watching. So I hope you guys have time to make this and enjoy this very moist, not sweet, but still sweet, delicious, drink a glass of milk type of cake. It is delicious. And yeah, I'm happy I got to make it again after all these years. Alright, so if you guys like this video, please be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so that you can get reminded every other beautiful Wednesday morning when I post new videos like this one. And I will see you guys in 2 weeks. Bye!